Maavybooks managing outstanding incomes. Outstanding incomes are the ones which are yet to be received. Maavybooks make it really simple to manage and keep track of the outstanding incomes. In this video, we will learn how to manage and record outstanding incomes received in Maavybooks Outstanding Income. To view outstanding incomes, click on Outstanding Incomes button in Dashboard. You can also use sidebar to navigate to outstanding incomes. On outstanding income book, we can see a chart showing summary of all your outstanding incomes along with received and dues. Under outstanding income summary section, we can see the summary of every outstanding income transaction. That is the amount due, received, and balance from each transaction. To record the payment received from outstanding income, click on Pay button under Outstanding Income's Payment Summary beside the transaction you want to receive the payment from. You will be redirected to Outstanding Income Pay page. Here, you can simply record the payment of your outstanding income by filling the few details. Transaction number is the unique number generated by Maavybooks for your every transaction. This makes it easy to record, view, edit, and delete transactions in Maavybooks. Enter the date of your transaction, then select the type in which the payment is received. This can be either cash or bank. Then select bank in case the type is bank. If your bank is not shown in select bank box, you can simply add it by visiting add bank section in bank book. Then enter the amount received along with the interest charge or discount allowed any on the payment. The total amount will be automatically calculated. Enter the particular including the details of the payment transaction. Recheck all the details entered by you. Although it can be edited afterwards, but checking it before submitting is a good practice. Now click on Submit button. If all the details are filled correctly, you will be shown an alert box with success message. Congrats! You have successfully added your outstanding income payment received in Outstanding Income Book. You can view your payment under Report section of Outstanding Income Book along with outstanding incomes. You can also view the history of your outstanding income payments recorded along with the date and time of the transaction under the History section of Outstanding Income Book. Editing outstanding income payment received transaction. Editing the outstanding income payment received transaction is also very simple in Maavybooks. Just go to Report section of Outstanding Income and click on Edit. You can see the pre-filled form with all your details. Change the details you want to edit and then click on Submit. You will be shown an alert box with success message. Deleting an outstanding income payment transaction is again simple. Just go to Report section under Outstanding Income Book. Click on Delete. Click on Delete button beside the transaction you want to delete. A dialog box appears. Click Yes if you want to delete this transaction. The transaction will be deleted from your outstanding income payment reports. You can check history of all your initial entries, updations and deletions under the History section of the Outstanding Income Book. Hope this tutorial helped you managing outstanding income payments in Maavybooks Outstanding Income. Happy accounting journey ahead!